Hi, everybody. Cheryl Knowlton and Clay Johnson.
Hello.
Back for episode 3 of Data Security. So let's talk about this national epidemic that has really caught fire in the last especially few months.
Oh, it's been crazy.
Absolutely, of wire security and wire fraud specifically.
Well, there's some big numbers. When you look at it, in fact, when they just broke down the Utah numbers, I was shocked at how much has been taken out of the system.
It's
fraudulently.
frightening.
It is frightening. So, we put some really specific safeguards in place to protect against that. Most important, making sure that that wire information is only going to the title company. The title company is getting it directly to the client who is wiring that, and that there's some safeguards and verifications in place to protect that. But I know on your end, there's also some stuff on the real estate side they've done, which is really good as well.
Absolutely. So sing the praises of the UAR Forms Committee. We, Utah agents, you've got to know and make sure you're using the new wire fraud disclosure, whether you represent the buyer or the seller. We're not going to go through the form because we're trying to keep this under 2 minutes, right? But make certain you identify the form, go on the MLS or go to Utah Association of Realtors at utahrealtorsplural.com, log in, find the form, familiarize yourself with it, and use it on every single transaction.
Very important, yes.
Absolutely. Okay, we'll talk more about this on the next episode. We'll see you at episode 4.
Bye-bye.